Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is going to be like our first cooking video. Like after the unboxing, we'll be trying out one of our dishes. Obviously, I'm in the kitchen, and I'll be using the help of my sweet baby cousin Daniela. Say hi. So I and Daniela are going to be making the drummers. Takoyaki. So this is going to be fun because we are both cake fanatics. So let's get into the video. Bye guys. If you have watched our unboxing video, you remember something about me saying that each dish has this story written about it, and I was going to read it. For tteokbokki, it is this signature Korean street food is made by boiling bite-sized rounded rice cakes or thin rice cakes in gochujang sauce, which is red chili paste, with vegetables and fish cakes. Chewy rice cakes with their spicy and sweet sauce are appealing. Recently, franchise tteokbokki restaurants have become popular. Okay, and it's 403 grams, and it's for 2 ibun, that's 2 servings. The only thing we need to add to this bag is water, and the kit contains thin rice cakes, so we are using thin rice cakes and not bite-sized rice cakes. Gochujang, which is the red chili paste. Dochong, which is grain syrup. Dried fish cakes. Soy sauce. White sugar. Gochut tagaru, red chili pepper powder, and dried green onion slices. Oh, there's also salt, so you don't have to use your salt. Everything is just like, Korean. So I feel like something is holding it down. Well, it sends foreign already. Guys, you need to take a look at this. This is the dried green onion slices. And this is our red chili pepper. It should be, I don't know what this is. This should be a paste. It feels pasty. This is salt. This is our thin rice cake. First serving and second. Okay, this is like more than. And see. And then we have, look at the soy sauce here. Then white sugar. Really? Extra pepper, dried fish cake, and I don't know what this paste is called. But I know I want to cook. So let's start cooking. We have this little pamphlet stuff written that has the recipes, the preparation, cooking, tips, notice, and something written in Chinese, because this is definitely no Hangul. And then okay, they told us what everything is. So these are the thin rice cakes and all. So let's start. For the dried fish cakes, we have to soak it in 360 ml of boiled water, and our water is already boiled, and this is a 250 ml container. This is 80 and this is 30. So putting them together, we're going to get our 360 ml. Dried fish cakes. And we have to soak for 10 minutes. So I have what's this called? Bean rice cakes. Bean rice cakes. Bean rice cakes. We're going to put it in here and then we'll pour hot water in and soak it for 10 minutes. Now draining the fish cakes, the dried fish cakes. Carefully. We are to save the water from the fish cakes, so we are turning it in another bowl. Then from the rice cake, we just throw the water out. We are turning the water we used to soak the fish cakes into the pan first. And then we are going to dissolve our seasonings. First, this is our soy sauce and our red chili paste. And then our salt. Our sugar and red chili pepper. And the last ingredient we have to add is our green syrup, and it's very thick. Ooh. It's very thick. It looks like honey. It's already kind of dry, and we're going to add our fish cakes and green onion slices next. And then add the fish cakes first. And then after doing this, we are going to leave it for about a minute or two, and then our tteokbokki is ready. So our meal is almost ready, and our egg is getting in shape too. So yay, my first K meal. I just hope this is nice, because if it isn't, Jesus, I just hope this is nice. Like, me cooking, tteokbokki butter. So our meal is ready to be served. Finally, guys, our tteokbokki is ready. Creating this dish was just wonderful, and I hope it's nice. So at this point of the video, I was actually testing my tteokbokki, and it felt really chewy. Like, it took a lot of time for me to chew, but then the taste got in, and it was really nice. Like, the best. I never expected this to be this wonderful. And I also tried the fish cakes, although my chopstick skills almost disgraced me, and it was lighter. It's not as chewy as the tteokbokki, but it was nice, like the rice cakes, but it was nice. In general, this was just a very wonderful dish. The tteokbokki is something that you all should try, and I hope you like and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching. I love you all.